Yes, be ready. Start. Section 98 of the MV Act 1988 in terms clearly states bracket start as did section 68B of the MV Act 1939 bracket close that chapter 6 relating to the special provisions about the state transport undertaking and the rules and orders made thereunder shall have effect notwithstanding anything inconsistent therewith contained in chapter 5 or in any other law for the time being in force or in any instrument having effect by virtue of any such law full stop. Sections 74 and 80 relating to the grant of the contract carries permit and the procedure in applying for the grant of such permits respectively are in chapter 5 full stop. This means that when under chapter 6 a scheme is prepared by the state government entrusting the contract carriage services in relation to any area or route or portion thereof to a state transport undertaking to the exclusion complete or partial of other persons, the provisions of section 74 and 80 would have no application and the private transport operators cannot apply for the grant of contract carriage permits under section 80 nor can such permits be granted by the state transport authority full stop. The MV Act 1988 thus also makes a provision for nationalization of routes and envisages a denial of permits to private operators when routes are so nationalized full stop. Hence, it cannot be said that there was a conflict between the provisions of the Karnataka Act and the MV Act 1988 full stop. When the legislative encroachment is under consideration, the doctrine of pith and substance comes to the aid to validate a legislation which would otherwise be invalid for the very want of legislative competence full stop. When the repugnancy between the two legislations is under consideration, what is in issue is whether the provision of the state enactment, though otherwise valid, has not lost its validity because the parliament has made a legislation with a conflicting provisions on allegedly the same matter full stop. If it is open to resolve the conflict between the two entries in different lists, viz. The union list and the state list, by examining the dominant purpose and therefore the pith and substance of the two legislations, there is no reason why the repugnancy under Article 254 of the Constitution between the provisions of the two legislations under different entries in the same list, viz. The concurrent list, should not be resolved by scrutinizing the same by the same touchstone full stop. What is to be ascertained in each case is whether the legislations are on the same matter or not full stop. Next stanza. The progress of science in Europe meanwhile confirmed that in their view that scientific education should be imparted only through the medium of English full stop. Consequently, partly for the sake of administrative convenience and partly to prorogate their own language and culture, they stick to their own system of education which they introduced in this country full stop. There is no doubt that the education received by our earlier generations was based on this very system full stop. Those people knew little of Indian literature and culture and hardly felt drawn towards it, although a few Indian scholars who were inspired by English education did study Indian literature and wrote a good deal in praise of it, full stop. Next stanza. Thus we find two schools of thought in this country, full stop. The followers of one school believe that our own language alone can be the medium of English, and until that is done, education is bound to remain confined to a small section of society and will never spread among the masses, full stop. Over.